So now we're ready to start doing some queries with where. And we got this first one. And so now we could do select. Let's copy all that. And you know, he talked about optimizing in the textbook. And so could we just add where e dot eid is equal to, I don't know, which employee do we want? You want James? Yeah. 1. All right, so that's James is 1 here. It's employees, and when we create employees, we have employee ID. So we're saying, hey, where just employee ID is equal to 1. So now all we have is James. Can we put that somewhere else so that we do our filtering first and then do our joining? Because it's like if you're reading this left to right, it joined all the records and then it pulled out the ones which weren't relevant. Can we pull out, can we just join where it's 1? You know? Could we add this? So it's just that spirit of exploration, and I have 50-50 probability on this one of whether or not this is going to work. So from employees as E, where EID equal 1, right? Join sales. So this would be like almost, this is my first set, right? Where EID equals 1, join, and then join sales. You know, then, so this would be my first set. Right? That's a good set. And then my next set is going to be, all right, now I'm going to take that set and join it to that set. That's my next set. Now I'm going to take that set and join it to this set. That's my next set. And I'm going to take that set and join it to this set. And that's probably a more optimized way if we have millions and millions of records, that we're not like, join everything. Now throw away those other 10,000 employees. Chelsea's nodding her head. Thank you for the feedback. Let's see if it works. Now that I've talked that through, my probability's gone up to 85%. Like, I'm pretty highly certain this is going to work. I might be surprised, but when I was able to articulate that this is a set, and then I'm taking the set and joining it and creating another set, that totally, like, for me, my confidence went up on whether it's going to work. Syntax near where. From employees as E, where EID equals 1. Doesn't like it. So this drives me to want to go look and see how did they do it in the book, because I know that this something like this was talked about. Does anybody remember? Nobody remembers? You could also, you know, try to break. So we're going to put does not work. And I'm just going to look to see if there's any kind of wacky syntax error I made. And then I'll read the message, just see if I get any information from the message. Name, st name, s amount, from employees as E, where. Yeah, so it's not liking the where there.
It's a where join, right?
Well, there isn't a where join. It's a where filtering. Like this would work. right? That worked. But if I add in, because
data is on chapter 14, there 505.
and if I add in like one more like sales,
Oh, it might be on page 510.
this is probably not going to work again. Yes. Doesn't like it. All right, let's look that up in the book and we'll come back and see if we found a solution.